Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the second public betas of upcoming iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5, allowing the public to test the updates ahead of when they see an official launch. The public betas have come a day after Apple provided the third betas to developers. Public beta testers can download the updates from the Settings app on each device after opting into the beta through Apple's public beta testing website. iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5 are relatively minor updates, and few new features have been discovered so far. It's worth pointing out that the iOS Mail app has options for toggling off contact photos and group by sender for a look that's more like the iOS 17 Mail app, and there are some minor changes to how Apple Care info is displayed. The software likely focuses on bug fixes and security improvements that are not outward facing. We are expecting Apple to release iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5 sometime in May.